Hi, Ms. Escalante. Thank you for taking the time to speak with us today. I was wondering if you could just give a brief description of who you are and what it is that you do.
Hello, it's nice to talk to you. My name is Ingrid Escalante. I'm the owner of Bottom Line Accounting. I focus with a small to mid-sized business with accounting services and payroll services. Majority of my business owners are local, and I focus in the accounting and payroll services.
Awesome. So the reason why I wanted to have you on today is right now I'm currently covering the ERTC tax credit and the benefit it gives to small businesses. And I know that you have some expertise on this. I was hoping you can give us a brief description of what the ERTC tax credit is and how it benefits small businesses.
Yeah, so the employee retention credit, what it targets business that were impacted with in regards to COVID. A business owner qualifies based on their payroll that they process during the years of between 2020 to 2021. And what it is that you apply for this credit in terms of how much payroll you pay during that time. And you're requesting for the taxes that you as a company pay during this period. Um, and once you get that granted to you, then you as a business owner, we have to do your taxes, redo your taxes for those years. Because what it is that the IRS is refunding you for the payroll taxes that you pay during that time.
Got it. Can small business still apply for this tax credit? Or
Yes, still businesses can still apply, even though there has been a slowdown from the IRS, given that there is a lot of fraud. So instead of you looking for, a 6 months period, the IRS is backlogged either from a year to a year and a half, but it's still open. You can still apply.
so what should small businesses do to apply?
First is they would have to reach out to either a CPA or to their accountants. What they're gonna do is they're gonna request for their 940s, their DE9s, to be able to calculate how much did you pay in taxes during that period and how much you qualified. So definitely you have to reach out to somebody that is knowledgeable in that area. And the CPA or your accountant will have to resubmit your 940s and 941 to request for that credit.
A lot of technical info. So in short, probably reach out to your accountant or CPA.
Yes, correct.
Why do you think so many small businesses miss out on these type of credits?
Well, I believe that there has been a movement when it comes to business owners, what I've seen after COVID, to where a lot of business owners did miss out and they're seeing the benefit of paying their employees under payroll. A lot of business owners, especially the small ones, are misclassifying employees and they're paying them either under, contract labor or under the table. So if you do that, you don't have the information needed to qualify for these credits. So I do feel that there has been a movement with the smaller businesses and start paying their employees and by the law, which is payroll. And that was one of the greatest reasons why I saw that a lot of small businesses weren't able to apply for these credits.
Got it. So what pushback or advice would you give to a small business that thinks that they're too small or too irrelevant to qualify for these type of credits or for even to try to get accounting or bookkeeping services?
Well, I do come across business owners that either, they're against the wall, what is it that I do? I don't have the funding probably to hire a bookkeeper or an accountant. There is resources out there. For an example, the Unity Council in Oakland, it's a nonprofit. They usually get grants to help small business owners, especially if they don't have the funding to be able to hire someone. So I would say help is out there. So whenever I do get a client that needs that kind of help, I do kind of point them to the direction of, try to go and talk to these nonprofits and see if there is a way either you come with me or they have other options for you there. But it's really important. I believe that if a small business owner since the beginning has their books straight, it'll be easier for them to get lending in the long term or even in the short term. So it's a must. Either way, I think that a business owner needs to find a way to have clear books.
Well, thank you, Ms. Escalante, for your time. I really appreciate it, and we'll hopefully be talking to you soon.
Thank you. Have
Thank
a
you.
good day.
You
Bye-bye.
too.